Welcome back to the online education channel Smart Student Learn with Smart Way with Online Education Channel. Today we learn My English Book 4th Standard Unit 3rd Time Poem. इसी तरह के और मज़ीद एजुकेशनल वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और शेयर करें। तो चलिए सबक की शुरुआत करते हैं। Time poems. Listen, repeat, read aloud and sing. The day. 12 good hours in every day. 12 good hours in every day. Time for work and time for play. Time for work and time for play. 24 for day and night. 24 for day and night. Some for darkness, some for light. Some for darkness, some for light. The month. 30 days has September. 30 days has September. April, June and November. April, June and November. All the rest have 31. All the rest have 31. Except February alone, except February alone, that has 28 days clear, that has 28 days clear, and 29 each leap year, and 29 each leap year. Old Man Moon. The moon is very, very old. The moon is very, very old. The reason why is clear. The reason why is clear. He gets a birthday once a month. He gets a birthday once a month instead of once a year. Instead of once a year. उम्मीद है पोएम आपको अच्छी लगी होगी। इसी तरह के और मज़ीद एजुकेशनल वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और बेल आइकन को दबाएं ताकि आपको आने वाले वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे और इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा तलबा तक फॉरवर्ड करें।